Why is my HVAC system making a loud banging noise? A loud banging noise from your HVAC system is usually caused by a loose or broken part inside the blower motor or the compressor, and in most cases it means something is hitting the metal housing every time the fan spins. Think of your HVAC system like a big fan inside a metal box. When a piece inside that box comes loose, like a bolt, a fan blade, or a small metal rod, it starts hitting the sides of the box every time the fan spins around, and that is the banging sound you hear. Sometimes the noise comes from the compressor outside, which is like the heart of the system that pumps the cooling liquid, and if a part inside it breaks, it can slam around and make a deep banging sound. One thing most people do not know is that a banging noise can also come from something called delayed ignition in a furnace, which happens when gas builds up before it lights, causing a small explosion inside the burner chamber. This is actually more serious than a loose part because it can crack the heat exchanger over time. Another lesser known cause is a bent or unbalanced fan blade, which throws the whole blower off balance and makes it knock against nearby parts. If you hear banging, the safest first step is to turn the system off completely and avoid running it until someone inspects it. A lot of people assume a banging noise means the whole unit is broken, but many times it is just one small part, so do not panic and assume you need a full replacement. Another common mistake is ignoring the noise because it seems to go away on its own, but that usually means the part shifted again and the damage is still building up quietly. People also forget to check their air filter, and a clogged filter can cause pressure changes that lead to banging or rattling sounds, so replacing it every 1 to 3 months is a simple fix that solves more problems than people expect. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.